Over the past few years, India has become the land of startups. Every day, brilliant young minds are coming together to create innovative ideas to help solve problems. With increasing hiring, office spaces are becoming important assets for these organizations. It is, after all, these spaces where the minds come together to think and solve problems. The office trend and the working style has changed to an exclusive, moderate art of living. High Decor is one such organization, established with the vision to create office spaces that reflect the vision and ideas that your organization represents.
We believe your office is more than just a place where your employees work. It is one of the most important manifestations of your vision. At High Decor, our pool of creative and talented interior designers work tirelessly towards building a workspace that is unique and symbolic to your vision.
One such recent project from High Decor is at Grab House.
When we first met the Grab House team to design the new office space, the first thing which we noticed was how young and colorful the entire organization was. We knew right then that the office space must reflect the vividness, color and fun. We bought the right set of designers and artists who could relate with such a crowd and bring our vision to life.
So when we took this office space, it looked quite huge, and it was very difficult for me to imagine that how would I really like it to look. We keep looking at these great office spaces across the world, and we feel that there should be some element of this kind always in the office, because as a startup all the employees spend a lot of time in the office, so it literally becomes their second home. So when we were talking to High Decor, we had few things in mind, but not a concrete idea that this is exactly how the office is supposed to look like. I wanted it to be young, bright, colorful, fun, very welcoming to all the people who would be coming here on a daily basis. But that's about it. I think what I really liked is that the team understood really well that what I was looking for, and the options right from the beginning that came to me were sort of at that level. So for me, I could really understand that what it will be like when the office is ready, so that it just had to be the right kind of explanation from my end, and it was very well executed from the team's end. And the best part is that there's a lot of detail attention that has been paid to a lot of smaller details, like how the lamps are supposed to be, where the posters should go, what kind of posters should go there, how the furniture should be, from a small table to the biggest wall art. The things have been really taken care of very well, and there is so much of fun element which has been involved in it for people to engage, to do things, not just to look at. It's not just fancy museum, but where you can really go and put up stuff. There is a photo corner, there is a wishing corner, there are a lot of writing boards over here, a lot of bulletin boards over here for people to just stick up the work that they are doing. So that sort of brings a lot of life of the soul of the company on the walls in the office, which I think is brilliant.
High Decor helps design and create young, lively and vibrant office spaces that make your employees proud of where they work and push them to be more productive each day.
When I first saw this office, it was just a pile of rubble, and it was just pillars and whitewash and dirty in general. And then the interior decoration work started. Then when we finally moved in 2 months ago, we saw that the place had completely transformed. We could not recognize it. It's easily one of the best offices that I've worked in. And until we started working here, we didn't realize how much of a difference it makes to have a great office. There's so much color, there is so much of energy generally flowing in because of how the office looks. And the best part is that there are so many little things that have gone into the design that we still keep finding new things every day. We'll see some poster that we've not seen before, we'll see some splash of color that we've not noticed before. So it's a great place to come. You feel very positive generally when you walk in, and it's just fantastic.
There are all fun places in the office. We have a gym room, we have a recreation room where there are TT tables and a basketball hoop, and we have wonderful personalized conference rooms. It's a brightly lit place, and coming to the space where everything is together. Our users are just one step away, and a very friendly environment. We are really enjoying the new office. It has all the latest young, upbeat things to keep us motivated and deliver the best products.
Now you can see the space, which is like everyone. So I have not heard anyone who is not 100% in love with the space. As in, like, everyone liked it so much. It's so vibrant and it's so much matching with the culture and with the kind of way we actually work.
Looking to create more fun, frivolous and dynamic office spaces, think of iDecor and we are there with you.
If your organization wants to experience an exclusive, unmatched designs which is symbolic to the working style, then it is only iDecor.